Well, thank you, Noel. It was a great trip this morning. Really enjoyed it. I can't believe how nice and calming this tour is, okay? It was very relaxing. The temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Saw a couple of hippos over here in the corner. And of course, our tour guide, he must know hundreds and hundreds of varieties of birds. He knows them by name, which is amazing.
They have the same characteristic with the lapwing, like a spawing, lapwing, or the blacksmith, if you know the blacksmith as well. So here it is, close to the shore, on the stones. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. That's what we are talking about. Water thickney, another name is water decop. I remember about 2 years ago, there was a fisherman who was eaten up by the crocodile. Then we found other people carrying on with their normal activities, and they said he just had a bad luck. Right. It doesn't happen often. That would be nice if you can capture on top of the tree. There's a big bird. Can you see that? There's the African open-bill stock right on top. It's like they're having a meeting discussing how they're going to get the food today.
And what was that Comodoro dragon or something we saw today, which is very unique? And of course, today is Saturday morning. We had washing day, so all the local, I guess what, the villages come down to wash their clothes and have a mini bath, right? Very, very interesting.
You see on the shoreline, it's basking on the right of this little egret, about 4 meters to the right.
Wow. Okay, you're right. Good eyes.
I also have a binocular here with me.
Very good eyes.
Hope you got that, guys.
So that's a small version of the Comodoro dragon in Indonesia?
Yeah,
Looks like a baby crocodile.
He's telling you about.
Huh. Wow. Amazing.
I'm a guide on the Lake Victoria. I take people around to see the wildlife like hippos, birds, and the fishermen, and other animals like otters and varan. Varan looks like iguana, like a Komodo dragon. We saw it among the animals we see around.
And I got to mention, the best part of the entire tour was the beer tree. And there was, what, 3 beer trees. Really interesting.